Good morning and happy Monday to you, my friends. And I hope that you all had an amazing weekend. So, with that being said, if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag. And let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Alrighty, friends, it is Monday. That means today is recitation day. Don't forget that we will be looking for voice variation in your recitation. So we will see you in just a bit for that. All right, let's go ahead and do our morning meeting. So on Friday, our last student of the day was Jacob. So let's see who it will be today. Today's student of the day is Gwen Ochoa. Come on down, Gwen. So if Gwen was here, the very first thing Gwen would do is turn the clock to morning. Gwen would then write her first and last name, but because Gwen isn't here, Mrs. Harrow will go ahead and do that for her. Gwen Ochoa. Okay. And then Mrs. Harrow would give Gwen her student of the day. Oh, sorry, you didn't see that. Student of the day sticker. Okay, followed by providing a pointer and saying, alrighty, young lady, you are on. And Gwen would say, this here thing is called a calendar. And this here is called a month. And what month are we in? April. And this here is called the year. And what year are we in? 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday was Sunday, then that means that today is Monday. But let's just double check. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. And friends, it looks like we have a number day missing. Let's go ahead and count to see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And there is our smiley face that reminds us today is recitation day. Now, before we add our day, our number day, let's go ahead and do our A, B, C, D pattern. But due to time constraints, let's start right here. Rectangle, square, parallelogram, hexagon, rectangle, square, parallelogram, hexagon, rectangle, square, parallelogram, hexagon, rectangle, square. So let's go ahead. Now that you saw that, let's go ahead and add that to our morning meeting board. And let's help Gwen with the letters in the month of April, beginning with a capital A, P, R, Danelian I, Danelian L, and then we're going to finger space. And what two digits are we going to write there? A 2 and a 6. And a 2 and a 6 makes what number? 26, correct. Followed by a comma. Is a comma a number? No, it is a space, sillies. And let's go ahead and tell me the digits in the year. 820, 2, and a 1. And let's go ahead and read today's date with Gwen. Today's date is Monday, April 26, 2021. Now, friends, if on Friday we were here 157 days, what do you think today will be? Well, if we were at 157, what comes after 157? 158, yeah. So let's go ahead and check this out. First of all, we have to draw out this great big bundle of 100s, followed by Mr. 10. So 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, followed by Mrs. Ones. 151, 152. My hands are getting full. 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158. So now let's go ahead and graph this on our days in school graph. All right. So in our 100s column, we are going to write a 1, correct? All right. And then what about Mr. 10's column? Well, see what we have here. We have 3 plus 2 equals, yep, 5. That should be like so super duper easy, right, friends? Okay, 5 in Mr. 10's column. And then in Mrs. 1's column, let's see what we have here. Oh, I think we have 4. We definitely have 4. Okay, so we have, uh-oh, I just lost one of Mrs. 1's. All right, so look here. We have 4, and then we have another 4. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. So then let's go ahead and let's compare it, friends. Let's go ahead and compare it. So do we have one great big bundle of 100s? Do we have 5 Mr. 10s? How about 8 Mrs. 1s? So how many days have we been in school? 158 days. Wow, that is a whole lot of days, my friends. All right, it is now time for our coin cup. Coin cup, coin cup. And in our coin cup, we have some coins. Today we have different coins, friends. Today we have 2 different coins. We have a dime, and a dime is worth 10 cents. And friends, when we count dimes, what do we count them by? Yeah, we count them by tens, right? We count them by tens. So then we also have, we have a nickel today. And a nickel is worth how many cents? 5, we know that. And we count that by what? Yeah, we count them by 5s. And then, of course, we have some pennies. And the pennies are worth 1 cent. So, friends, so we have a dime, we have nickels, and we have pennies. which coin are we going to use first? Dime, because a dime is worth more. Okay, and we're going to start with our dimes. When we switch coins, I will hold it up so you know we got to switch our counting. 10 by fives. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 cents. So let's go ahead and write our 19 cents on our coin cup. Okay, we're going to write 19 cents. And friends, do not forget your cent sign. So important. And let's go ahead and see if it matches what we have in our coin cup. Uh-oh, look here. Our dime should always go in front of the nickel because the dime is worth more, right? All right, so here we go. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 cents on our morning meeting board, 19 cents on our coin cup. We match. Ding, 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 ding. Alrighty, friends, it is now time for our mystery bag. Dun, dun, dun. Now, friends, today we have a new concept for our mystery bag. So I want you to listen to the clues. So today I put 8 dimes and 7 pennies in my mystery bag. Now, I will take 2 pennies out of my bag. And I have to make sure that they are pennies. Okay? I will take 2 pennies out of my bag. Now I want to know how many dimes and pennies are in my bag now. Okay, so first let's listen to that. So today I had 8 dimes and 7 pennies, right? If I had 8 dimes and 7 pennies and I took 2 pennies out, how much do I have? How many dimes and how many pennies do I have? I don't want to know how much money yet. I just want to know how many dimes and how many pennies. Okay, Gwen, you are our student of the day. So if I had 8 dimes and 7 pennies, I took 7 pennies out. How many do I have now? Gwen says 8 dimes and 5 pennies. What do you guys think? Thumbs up? I don't know. So let's see what we're going to do with this. So the first thing we have to do is we have to write the amount of money on our morning meeting board. Okay, so first thing is, what was in the bag first? What did I put in my bag first? 8 dimes, right? So here's my dimes and here's my pennies. Okay, can you guys see that? So I had 8 dimes and 0 pennies on that part. And then I had no dimes but 7 pennies. Oh, we have to do this because it's cents, right? And then I took away, what did I take away? Oh no, hold on, I did this wrong. Hold on. I have to write the total. So we're going to write, we had 87 cents, right? I put 8 dimes and 7 pennies. That's 87 cents. Then I removed 2 cents. Now we need to know how much money is left. Well, 7 minus 2. Well, Gwen did say we had 5 pennies left and 8 dimes, right? So 8 minus 0 is 8. So we have 85 cents. Gwen was correct. We had 8 dimes and 5 pennies. Ding, 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 ding. Very, very good. And that's a new concept that we are going to start doing every single day to get you guys thinking about how much money we have and also how many dimes and how many nickels. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and do our counting, friends. Let's go ahead and start with, and I apologize for the glare. All right, let's go ahead and let's do odds. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, right? Even 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good job. 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Let's go ahead and do fives. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Excellent. And tens. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Excellent, my friends. All righty, so now let's go ahead and move on to today's pattern. Okay, let's go ahead and do our pattern for the day. All right, so let's see here. So far we have 6, 16, 26. Hey, that should be bing, bang, boom for us. We are counting by tens. So here we go. 6, 16, 26. Aha. 36. Okay, go back. 6, 16, 26, 36. 46. And finally, 56. Great job, my friends. Excellent. All right, let's look at our clock. Our clock today, digital clock reads 4:30 or 4:30. Analog clock reads 9:30 or 9:30. We have to match our analog to our digital. All right. Shorthand is the hour hand. Longhand is the minute hand. First things first, we have to locate 4:00. Right? Here's 3:00. Finally, 4:00. Don't forget when you do 4:00, your minute hand has to go past the 12. All right, I want you to pay attention to the hour hand and see what happens as the minute hand goes half past around. Right there. Friends, what happened to our hour hand? Yes, it moved. It is now between the 4 and the 5. So this reads 4:30. Digital clock reads 4:30. Ding, 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 ding. We match. Excellent, my friends. And since we did our counting by tens in today's pattern, we'll skip that on our hundreds chart. Don't forget, be ready for your recitation. All righty, my friends, I will see you in just a bit. Bye.